Hi, welcome to the channel of my Sierra Classic 3500, and her name is Betsy. And today, going to be talking about motor mounts. As you can see in the picture, that's the old motor mount before I pulled it out of the truck. I was pulling the engine anyway, perfect time to take the motor mounts out. This channel is going to be all about different little things here and there. Every little thing, adjustments, tune-ups, repairs, customizing, modifying, you name it. This is all about what this truck has been through or is going through. So anyways, take a look at this. This is the old motor mount. The old motor mount, I have never seen a mount worn so bad. If you look at the steel pin through the rubber on the bottom and the top, inside the bracket there's no rubber on either side of it between the rubber that's left and the bracket. All of that is totally worn out, gone. I literally couldn't believe it when I saw that. Normally they're either broken, cracked, something like that. Now compare it to the new one. The new one barely fits inside the bracket. It is so tight. I had to squeeze it really tight in there. And what a difference, let me tell you. If you read the description, energy suspension is awesome. And so here's the comparison side by side. See the difference where those pins are coming out of the rubber or the polyurethane? Look at the difference of what's coming out off onto each side. And if I had a picture, I should have showed you a picture of the other way, top to bottom also. You'd see the thickness, how it's so much different. So anyways, I'm going to show you a comparison sitting inside the brackets right about now. See the difference? One's from end to end, the other's nothing. I had to do it like that because it was so hard to believe I actually had the right motor mount, because it fit in there so tight and everything compared to the old one. I was just in shock. And so anyways, I had them out. I went and got the brackets chromed because I was getting all the work done on my engine anyway. And so I took everything, and those brackets just went to the chrome shop. So here they are back in the truck with the block in there. And look at the difference in that gap. You see where the upper bracket meets the lower bracket? You could actually put a finger through there. There's so much room between there now because the mount is filling that lower bracket. It's not just laying on the frame. Big, big difference. So if you like this, please push like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll talk to you on the next one. Have a great day.